Alrighty guys, here we are back out here again with the Mustang Reaper 2.0. Wondering what we're doing. We're getting rid of the chrome Mustang badge and the chrome GT badge on both sides. And then we're also going to see about reapplying the shaker hood trim protector for the around the shaker. But what we got from LMR is the black chrome pony and the 4.6 badges. This one's for the 10 to 14, but it's still the S197. The 05 to 09 went out of stock again, and right when I was about to order it, and it's not going to be in stock for another 22 weeks, so I went ahead and just got the last one of these. But it should just be the same. It's supposed to be the same mounting points because it's the same generation. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and take care of these. I have the heat gun, extension cord and all that, and the fishing wire. But yeah, it's not gonna be too difficult. I'll get back to y'all when we got the pony on, and then when we got the 4.6 badges on. About to do these badges. Got the 4.6 ones up there. Extension cord running right here. But yeah, got them taped up on both sides. All right. We went ahead and got the first GT badge off right here. I'm gonna clean it up and then put it somewhere. Now we're just gonna clean off that spot and put one of these bad boys on there. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we do that. And then when we get the other one done too. All right, here's the first badge. As you can see, it looks a lot better than the old GT badge. Obviously the car needs a detail, but you know, it'll take a minute to get all that adhesive off. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get started on the second one. All right, so we got the other GT badge right here, and then the 4.6 badge is up there on top of the roof. What we're gonna go ahead right now is hit it with the heat gun, and then use this fishing wire to pretty much slice through the adhesive. That should be good. Now you want to come in close so they could see. And come in close onto this too. Make sure you have enough and make sure it's not all tangled. I don't know why it's being all stupid. Make sure you get it under if there we are. And just go for it. Now there are going to be two little pegs as well on here. Okay. Give it a second. Grab one more. I think that's where one of them is. So now we just go from the other side. Heat it up a little bit more. Alright. Go from the other side. Okay. There we are. Come on. There we are. Oh yeah. This is irritating too, just letting y'all know, but it's patience. We're gonna go ahead and just get back. We're gonna go ahead and resume when we get back to when we're almost. All right, so we got all the fishing, we got the thing off. Now the next part is just to twist and pull off. And this one came off a lot easier. And all I got really to do is just what I've been finding to be helpful is just, probably got to go wet this again, but use a sponge with some soap in it, and just keep going over it, and then using these plastic X-Acto blades that my neighbor slash friend recommended. Right there. I said right there. Stay. Which are these little plastic X-Acto blades. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these off and then show you what it looks like, and then it's always best to clean off your surface too while you're doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-wet this and re-soap it, and then I'll be back. All right, we got it all cleaned off. You know, here's the other badge. I'm gonna probably make a little thing as a memento board for this old Mustang, or for this Mustang with its old badges. But now we got the 4.6 badge. All we gotta do is make sure we line it up properly. All right, so for this, we're gonna have to put it like that, honestly. So this, we'll have to remove. Actually, go grab this. Just wipe that down as best as we can. I guess go ahead and play it safe as well. Alright. Yeah, that's coming out for sure. Alright, that'll do for now. It'll come off with washes in the future, and then amongst other stuff. Alright, so we're gonna have to do this like how we did the other one to make sure it's lined up properly. Because if we try to do this, that's not gonna cover up both. Here, shine the light over here real quick. Over here. I wanna make sure I get it. I wanna see if I can actually, it looks like it'll actually be able to cover both up like that. Okay, that's good. Now we're just gonna make sure that we get it right on the first try. Can you see that? I want to make sure that it covers up this bottom hole too. Alright. You look like right there. All right. Oh yeah. And there we go. Just gotta clean off these little edges. But yeah, no, that's pretty much how it goes. And I got both holes covered up by the 4. For a second there, it didn't look like it wanted to, but yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and test it out. But yeah. Now that we got them both done, up next, all we're gonna do is just reinstall the grill with the Black Pony. But yeah, we'll get that done right now, and then I'll show you the final product of everything, and then go test everything out. But yeah.